Hello guys, today's video we are talking about ingen spinosaurus asset 87. So guys, without getting late, let's get start this video. Asset 87 is the strongest variant of spinosaurus because he was stronger than normal spinosaurus because he can modified by different dinosaurs DNA like ankylosaurus durability, T-Rex bite force, Velociraptor intelligence, and high aggressive nature and territorial. Asset 87 is a female dinosaur. She was getting revenge from our child and chasing the squad of human to kill them. He kept made many tries, but she was fail. At the end, he was escaped them. And after these few years, he can chasing another human squad. And at the end, he was killed by little E.T. and died by big E.T. Asset 87 was first appeared in Jurassic Park 3 on Isla Sorna Island. And he was very durable that killed Bull T-Rex. He was modified by Rexy Do Buck DNA. But Spino can easily defeat them. That's proof he was very strongest one. And second time he was died by Big E.T. or Little E.T. when he killed little injured little E.T. and Big E.T. revenge and killed them. Asset 87. He was very durable that can fire didn't give a scratch. He was very durable that can survive T-Rex attacks and other dinosaur attacks. His terror was very shown that every dinosaur can fear one. And he was very bigger dinosaur, bigger than normal Spinosaurus. Because his height is touching is according 8 meters, 8 to 9 meter tall. And bite force is 5 tons. According to his length, he was bigger than normal Spinosaurus according to 25 meters long. And weight is now 40 to 50 tons heavier. And its main weapon is sharp teeth that can catch bigger dinosaur and eating flesh. And these teeth were very sharpness that kill little E.T. and other dinosaurs. Sharp claws. These claws were very functional that gave lethal damage and wounds blood cells. And back was very weak that every one dinosaur attacked their back. He was weak now. And this back was gave speed, agility or swimming tactics. He can swim on land or water. And his colossal size, he was very powerful. So that's all. If you watch until the end, like and subscribe my channel and comment your ideas, opinions. So thanks for watching my video.